what kind of services does Scarborough offer when it comes to palletizing and shrink wrap?
So Scarborough has the ability to offer services for every possible configuration for palletizing and shrink wrap. And our customized solutions are really based on what your direct end user, vendor, and retailer requires of you. We have our own internal standards that we have with clients based on long-term store for goods to ensure the highest possible level of quality for the goods that are stored in our facility. This includes, not only the palletization of the good, but it includes the type of pallet that the good sits on, the type of shrink wrap that's used, based on what the final and end destination is. And not only that, based on the commodity, there are certain commodities that exist that require certain colors of shrink wrap, certain overwrap, meaning the top and bottom have to be wrapped to certain percentages and thicknesses and all of those kind of things to help meet your compliance needs. And ensure that you are in compliance with vendor specifications. So our customized solutions are, based on whatever information is gathered through either compliance guidelines or seller specifications.
And also on the import and export side of things, palletizing and shrink wrapping your goods are only going to lessen your risk of pilferage and damage of your product. So one thing that Scarborough does offer is when we are devanning those containers, if the product is loose inside of that container, we always palletize it, which also, makes for an easy pickup. And it's just an added service that we provide.
Absolutely.